I'm Diane Cornegie, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. October is National Bullying Prevention Month. In our schools, we encourage kindness and acceptance all year long, but in October, schools and communities around the country approach the topic with a laser focus. To ensure that all of our students have a safe, positive, and nurturing educational environment, we strictly prohibit and do not tolerate bullying or harassment in our schools. Bullying is an intentional and repeated display of an imbalance of power. It takes on many forms. It can include physical harm or threats, insults, taunts, and intentional exclusion. It can also include rumors or lies, hurtful graffiti, or social media posts, intimidation, and public humiliation. The list is long and the results can be devastating. Sometimes victims of bullying are not forthcoming about their experiences, but often they exhibit symptoms such as a reluctance to attend school activities, an unexplained drop in an academic performance, or a sad and depressed demeanor. If you suspect your child is being bullied, you or the student can report it verbally to an adult at school. You can complete a bullying or harassment reporting form that you can pick up at the school or download from the school or district website. You can also report it anonymously at 1-800-423-TIPS. High school students who need help may also talk to a trusted peer, one who is trained through our Peer Ambassador program, who knows how to provide support for bullying as well as other issues a student might be facing. No matter how it is reported, any student found to have participated in bullying is in violation of our Code of Conduct, and they will face consequences. So the better course of action is to prevent bullying from ever happening. We can do that together by encouraging kindness and acceptance as a standard practice in our schools. We can also show our commitment on Unity Day, Wednesday, October 18th, when schools and communities across the country wear orange to show a unified support for bullying prevention. Let's come together in Lake to show that we believe no child should ever experience bullying. If we take a stand against bullying, the children will follow our lead. Thank you for working with us to keep our students and our schools safe.